Listen up, you donkey! Are you tired of serving up sad, soggy sushi that looks like it's been run over by a bus? Well, I've got news for you. It's time to ditch the takeaway menus and step up your sushi game. Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 must-have sushi gadgets available on Temu. These aren't your average blunt instruments, you hear me? We're talking about precision tools crafted to elevate your sushi from amateur hour to Michelin star magnificence. If you're a sushi lover, these gadgets will take your sushi making skills to the next level. Let's get this show on the road. First up, we've got the workhorse of the sushi world. The one tool no self-respecting sushi chef should be without. The sushi rolling mat. This ain't some flimsy plastic rubbish, no sir. We're talking about a sturdy bamboo mat that's been used for generations to create perfect sushi rolls. The bamboo slats provide just the right amount of grip, allowing you to apply even pressure as you roll, while the flexibility of the mat ensures your sushi doesn't end up looking like a mangled mess. With a good quality sushi rolling mat, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to create professional looking rolls. Trust me, this is one investment you won't regret. Next up, we have a gadget that's perfect for all you beginners out there who are still a bit intimidated by the thought of rolling your own sushi. Say hello to the Sushi Bazooka. Now, I know, the name sounds a bit ridiculous. But trust me on this one, this little gadget is a game changer. You simply load it up with rice and your fillings, give it a good push, and voila, perfectly formed sushi rolls, ready to be sliced and devoured. The Sushi Bazooka is your secret weapon to sushi success, even if you're all thumbs in the kitchen. So go on, embrace your inner sushi warrior and give the bazooka a try. Now we move on to a tool that's as essential to a sushi chef as a paintbrush is to an artist the sushi knife. We're talking about a high-quality, razor-sharp blade that can slice through fish like butter and create those beautifully clean, precise cuts that are the hallmark of great sushi. A good sushi knife should feel like an extension of your hand, allowing you to make those delicate, intricate cuts with ease and confidence. Forget hacking away at your ingredients like a lumberjack. We're aiming for elegance and precision here. Trust me, once you've experienced the joy of using a high-quality sushi knife, you'll never go back to those blunt, generic blades. So invest in a good sushi knife, treat it with respect, and it will reward you with years of faithful service and beautifully sliced sushi. Now let's talk about a tool that often gets overlooked but is absolutely crucial for achieving perfect sushi rice, the rice paddle. This humble wooden implement is essential for mixing and spreading sushi rice evenly without turning it into a sticky, gloopy mess. Its wide flat surface allows you to gently fold and mix the rice with the sushi vinegar, ensuring every grain is coated evenly without being crushed. The wooden rice paddle absorbs excess moisture and prevents the rice from sticking, ensuring a light, fluffy texture every time. So don't underestimate the importance of a good rice paddle. Finally, we come to a gadget that's all about adding a touch of class and sophistication to your sushi presentation, the soy sauce dispenser. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gordon, isn't a soy sauce dispenser a bit unnecessary? Can't I just use a bowl? And to that I say, have you learned nothing from me? Presentation is everything. A stylish soy sauce dispenser elevates the entire dining experience, adding a touch of elegance and refinement to your sushi presentation. Imagine bringing that masterpiece to the table alongside a sleek ceramic soy sauce dispenser. It's all about creating a dining experience that engages all the senses. Well, there you have it, you lot. My top 5 must-have sushi gadgets from Temu that will transform you from a sushi disaster zone into a culinary ninja. Remember, creating incredible sushi isn't about magic. It's about having the right tools and the passion to learn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out these amazing sushi gadgets on Temu and elevate your sushi making game. Now, stop making excuses and get cooking. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more top gadget recommendations.